Righto. It's a little. Hang on a
My
sec.
food's coming.
Yeah, that's nice, Terry. You gonna chime in from the peanut gallery this whole time? Well, if you do that, I'm gonna bring the camera over to you. How you like that? Every time you chime in from the peanut gallery, I'm gonna bring the camera so people can see you. You like that?
No.
Alrighty then. What the fuck is that on the floor? We're gonna make Mentaiko spaghetti. So we've got. This has nothing to do with it. And we're gonna heat up some water. So 250 grams of spaghetti for 2 people. Gonna wash my hands. What do I have in Mentaiko? There's Mentaiko and there's tarako. Tarako is just salted and Mentaiko is spicy. Alright, so we're gonna scrape this out. I can't tell if these have a skin on them or not. They do. Snack. And this goes in here. Camera's falling off my head. It doesn't look very Greek to me. Hey, guess what? I found something I hate doing. Making videos. Would you?
I like cooking.
I don't know what I'm doing. Just keep doing it till I feel comfortable. Sit up. The head thing keeps coming off. I think it's too tight. Where'd the soy sauce go? Here it is. More water. More. Could do this. Ow! God damn it, that's hot! This is driving me nuts. Maybe my head grew since the last time I tried this. It keeps coming off.
Here, I'll flip it on.
I just have to loosen this up. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Well, I don't know what to say. I feel like I should be saying something. I don't know what to say.
You should be, yeah. Just talk like you're talking to
To who? Who do I talk to? You?
Yeah.
This is fun watching water boil.
Can I drop a lemon?
One more. Let's cut these. And cut them in the middle. Oh! I just mixed the stems up with the leaves. Idiot. Alright. Let's put that in there too. Could use more. Oh, this was the good stuff. I meant to use the bad stuff. There we go. Huh? Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, this isn't going out. This is just... Fuck it. This is taking a long time. And I could stick another camera somewhere. Kenji had one right in front of him. He had a camera with a ring light right in front of him,
Oh.
and he would cut between the one on his head and the ring light. But I don't know where I would put a camera here. Kind of don't want to show the background because this table's a mess. The camera keeps moving. There we go. Time to burn my fingers. Sorry, what?
Said I spend at least an hour a goddamn day picking shit up and putting it away.
Oh. A little bit longer. Nobody does that. No, they don't. Why would you throw it against the wall when you can taste it? Ow! Alright. That's good. Alright, it's got to cool off a bit.
What's the flavor besides, is it the garlic?
Nope.
Just
Yeah, because I forgot to put garlic in.
huh?
It's got shiso in it. Boba.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. And then... Whoops. Good enough.
Oh, it's already done?
Yeah. Oh, you want to take another couple hours? Yeah, nice for the oven fan to go on full blast.
Yeah, I know, it's hard. You can't control that. I put like
But isn't there? Do we get onions? Do we get cut onions?
Nope.
We didn't.
I asked if you wanted them.
I said no. I said no. Don't get them. That's what I said. I said that's what I said. I was pretty indignant about it too. Do you have natto?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, let's put some natto on top. Where is it? Karashi. Oh! Jesus Christ. God, I do the dumbest things just because the camera's on. I forgot to take the cellophane off the natto before I put the tare on it. I never do that.
I know, but maybe like you didn't see it because.
No, because I'm an idiot when the camera turns on. There was this time, did I ever tell you that? I got volunteered to make a speech on local cable. I really didn't want to do it because I really hate it. So I figured I would practice in front of the camera. I would just take a video camera, borrow a video camera from somebody and sit in front of the camera and give the speech. And every time, just looking at the lens of the camera, I couldn't talk. No, I had to speak in Japanese. And it was like the first year I was there. It was, oh, God damn it, I did it again. I did the same thing again. Exactly the same thing. Poured the toddy on top of the cellophane. Got to learn my lesson. All right.
Ready?
Just like Mom used to make.
Really? Your mom used to. Oh my God.
Which one looks bigger? They're about the same,
They
aren't
do
they?
look the same, don't they? Whichever one you think looks bigger.
All right.
That one. I'll be alone.
All right, this one's in the bag.
But I am going to take a photo with my camera. It's not going on, right?
No, of course not.
Of course not. No, trust that. Of course not. Good God.
What?
It's not too bad. No, just chill everything. Not too bad, actually. I cleaned it all up for you before you start.
All right.
Nice.
You're supposed to show yourself
What?
eating it, right?
Yeah, you do that. Oh, yeah. That where it shows the
Blah, blah, blah.
food going in your mouth.
Nobody needs to see an old man stuff spaghetti in his face.
True. True.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah, I'm done.